What's going on, guys? This past weekend I had an opportunity to get out, explore some trails, go on a bit of an off-roading adventure with my buddy Ollie. As you guys saw in the video at the start, I was using a system to air up and air down my tires on my Tacoma. I've got it right here, and I wanted to share it with you guys, figured I would talk about it. It's the Morphlate. This is the quad version. So what this is, Morphlate's a company that makes these fittings and hose connections that allow you to air up or air down all four tires on your off-roading vehicle, or it can just be any vehicle at all, at the same time. Not only that, but because of the way they designed the fittings and the gauge here, we'll open it up, it equalizes all four pressures, which is phenomenal. Like when you are airing down the tires, it sets all four, because they're all in the same line now, they're all connected. It brings them down or back up to the exact same pressure. You can't get more accurate, or you can't get more even pressures any other way. This system is absolutely amazing, and I had an opportunity this weekend to try it out. Was super impressed. It was so easy to use. One thing that I absolutely loved about it was how easy these the fittings are on the end of the hose. So you can kind of see it here, but this fitting just sort of slides up like that. It's an absolute breeze. Like you leave it like that, and then when you go to put it onto the valve stem, you just push, and it just locks itself on. You could do it with one hand, you could do it with 2 fingers. Just pop it on like that. I'll literally demonstrate it for you right now. Take off the valve stem cap. One hand, you just pop it on and push. And it's literally, like no joke, that's how easy it is. It's insane. It's actually insane. Points that I really like about it is the fact that it's neon green. Just the color, it's extremely bright, very vibrant, so you won't miss it if you're walking around. It's so bright that it's really hard to not notice. You won't trip over it, and if you're in mud or snow, it's just really easy to notice. You won't get lost in the dirt or anything like that. Another really awesome feature that people might not really realize is that when you're using a compressor to air up one tire, the compressor is often putting out more pressure than what your tire can take in at any given time. So if you're just doing one tire, you're gonna get back pressure. So it's pushing so much pressure out into the tire, it's causing back pressure. And what this does is it actually causes more strain on your compressor, and your compressor has to kind of work a bit harder. It can overheat easier. So having something like this doesn't have any back pressure. It's actually pretty much even, and it's putting out air to all four tires, which is less strain on your compressor. Also, the fact that you just have to turn it on once and fire up the compressor once, as opposed to stop, starting 4 different times, is also gonna save the life of your compressor. Running 265, 75, 16 tires. These are the General Grabber ATXs. They're around a 31-inch tire, I believe, or setup, and it aired down in like probably 2 minutes. You just flip the valve, and it's super easy. Let it go down, check the gauge, it'll let you know what the pressure's at. When you're airing back up, I went down to 18 PSI for when we were off-roading, just to have some better traction out there in the snow, over the bumps, a little bit more comfortable ride. And then when I aired back up at the end of the trip, I went back from 18 PSI up to about 35 PSI, again, all 4 tires, and it took about 8 minutes. So I had the compressor in the front on the engine, plugged onto the battery, and then the hoses were running down the sides, flip the switch, go sit in your truck for 8 minutes, you know, and everything was absolutely perfectly set to 35. And on the Tacoma, you can see it on the instrument cluster on the dash. So that's another bonus. This makes it super easy to use. So I'm actually really excited to have this. I realized that I'm a beginner, And I just feel like having something like this just makes things a little bit easier when you're out there in the trails and you're kind of getting new and used to what your truck is doing and how you're driving. It's just one less thing that's less stress. Having something like this is so easy to use, and it makes your tire pressures perfect. Tire pressures are definitely one of the more important things when you're out on the trail. You want to make sure you're running the right pressures. You'll find lots of guys that tell you what pressures are best and what to use wherever you are, what the trails are like, what the conditions are like. So having this was awesome, and I'm really excited. I actually picked this up. They shipped it from the US, and it came in at 179 US dollars. And when you do purchase it, you have an option to message them and talk to them. You can get special fittings so that the hose can connect to whatever compressor you're using. This can fit any compressor. You just may or may not need a fitting or an adapter here. So this one's specific to the Vier Series 300P. They also have fittings for the Smittybilt compressors, and I believe the ARB as well. So this is the Morphlate, guys. Quick little video for you. I'll have a link down below in the description if you guys want to check this out. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.